Okay, let's talk about how I record my trades. First of all, I would like you to picture that for every entry you take, you had to present a reasoning, a logic in front of a group of fellow traders. So you have to defend your entry in front of a group of traders, okay? So this is my trade ticket. I use Airtable to record my trades and then use it for some analytics like we do for all of our back test stuff inside of the group. So here's a trade I took this morning, and I just want to give you a snapshot of what that looks like. So I put the date. It was Tuesday, ETH, so before the market opening. Definitely is with the trend. The entry was based off of a 1 minute front side level. It was a break-even trade for me. The ideal stop loss would have been just a little over 3 points, as we teach in the core strategy. I just did one contract because I'm trading pre-market, but I was doing it with 2 funded accounts, and the heat I experienced was just half a point. I grade my trade here. It was just a wiggle and get out. I'll show you that here in a second. So my notes, and this is really what I want to, this is something you can go back later. What was I thinking? I have screenshots of my charts, but also what was I thinking? All the indices and the dollars were moving the same direction. Now that is not on my chart. This is supplemental information. It was a backside of a 30, it was a back test of a 30-minute front side after breaking it. Entry was in the middle of the chop zone, not the best trade location, but we were laddering down for sure with a 1 minute level. I had a small stop. And it just wiggled too much. I put my stop at break even and I got out. Oh, well, next trade. So here's my screenshot. It includes my DOM. As you can see, one contract, one MES. It was the middle of the range. I had a front side here. It was a back test of this 30-minute front side. And so I went for it. It did do a touch and bounce. But then, as you'll see in the second screenshot, it just wiggled back and forth. I'm out. I pay my trades to touch my level and go. It did not touch and go. It touched and wiggled. I'd rather just be out of the trade. So that's how I do it. Let's look at the chart where it is right now. And look what happened. No big deal. I get out of the trade. I save the mental drawdown associated with being in a wiggle trade. And you simply wait for the next entry. We have a high probability system, and we just wait for the next high probability entry. No big deal. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how I record my trades and some of the thinking and logic behind why I do it the way I do it. I pretend I have to present every entry in front of my group with an explanation that makes sense, that sticks to our core strategy. Okay, I'll see you guys on Zoom here soon.